Question number 1. What is the most common complication in placenta previa? The correct option is C. Painless bleeding. Question number 2. What is the key sign of concealed placental abruption? The correct option is A. Tender uterus. Question number 3. In which condition is risk of preterm labor highest? The correct option is D. Multiple pregnancy. Question number 4. What is the most common ovarian cyst seen in pregnancy? The correct option is C. Corpus luteum cyst. Question number 5. What complication is associated with abruptio placentia? The correct option is B. Fetal distress. Question number 6. What is the main causes sudden fetal bradycardia in labor? The correct option is C. Uterine rupture. Question number 7. When a gestational diabetes usually screened in pregnancy? The correct option is A. 24 to 28 weeks. Question number 8. What fetal complication arises from maternal diabetes? The correct option is B. Macrosomia. Question number 9. Why is magnesium sulfate given in preeclampsia? The correct option is C. Prevent seizures. Question number 10. What risk increases the adolescent pregnancy? The correct option is B. Preterm labor delivery. Question number 11. Why is steroid given in preterm labor? The correct option is B. Lung maturity. Question number 12. What is a feature of twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome? The correct option is D. Discordant size. Question number 13. What is the earliest fetal risk in eclampsia? The correct option is B. Hypoxia. Question number 14. What is the common side effect of magnesium sulfate? The correct option is D. Loss of reflexes. Question number 15. When is Rh isoimmunization dangerous is high risk in pregnancy? The correct option is D. Second pregnancy. Question number 16. Which test monitors fetal health in high risk pregnancy? The correct option is A. Non-stress test. Question number 17. Which signs suggest HELLP syndrome in high risk pregnancy? The correct option is C. Epigastric pain. Question number 18. Which scan detects discordant growth in twin pregnancy? The correct option is C. Ultrasound. Question number 19. What is the primary maternal danger in abruptio placentia? The correct option is D. Hemorrhagic shock. Question number 20. What is the danger of congenital rubella in high risk pregnancy? The correct option is C. Deafness and contract. Question number 21. What is the most accurate method to confirm pregnancy early? The correct option is B. Beta HCG test. Question number 22. Which of the following is a probable sign of pregnancy? The correct option is C. Goodwill's sign. Question number 23. When should iron supplements be started in pregnancy? The correct option is C. 12 to 16 weeks. Question number 24. Which condition indicates high risk pregnancy? The correct option is D. Gestational diabetes. Question number 25. What is the term for vomiting in early pregnancy? The correct option is A. Morning sickness. Question number 26. What is the effect of spine position in late pregnancy? The correct option is B. Hypotension. Question number 27. Which condition makes a pregnancy high risk in second trimester? The correct option is C. Short cervix. Question number 28. What maternal habit causes high risk pregnancy? The correct option is B. Smoking. Question number 29. What is a danger of macrosomia in diabetic pregnancy? The correct option is C. Shoulder dystocia. Question number 30. When a Doppler test usually started in high risk cases? The correct option is A. 28 weeks. Question number 31. What is the hallmark sign of eclampsia in a high risk pregnancy? The correct option is C. Seizures. Question number 32. Why a Rh negative pregnancy considered high risk? The correct option is D. Fetal hemolysis. Question number 33. Which maternal habit worsen high risk pregnancy outcomes? The correct option is B. Alcohol use. Question number 34. What twin type is highest risk in complication? The correct option is D. Monochorionic and monoamniotic. Question number 35. What is the risk of premature rupture in high risk cases? The correct option is A. Infection. Question number 36. Which supplement reduce preterm labor in high risk women? The correct option is B. Progesterone. Question number 37. What syndrome is a complication of severe preeclampsia? The correct option is D. HELP syndrome. Question number 38. Which maternal blood disorder make pregnancy high risk? The correct option is C. Thalassemia. Question number 39. What is a major risk in grand multifara during labor? The correct option is B. Uterine rupture. Question number 40. What is the danger of rapid delivery in preterm labor? The correct option is a fatal trauma. Question number 41. Which indicates obstruction labor in abdominal exam? The correct option is a Bendel's ring. Question number 42. Which complication is expected in face presentation? The correct option is B. Prolonged labor. Question number 43. Which condition requires urgent delivery during labor? The correct option is C. Fetal bradycardia. Question number 44. What is the best way to prevent postpartum infection? The correct option is B. Aseptic technique. Question number 45. Which condition is associated with retained fetal membranes? The correct option is D. Endometritis. Question number 46. What is the key complication after instrumental delivery? The correct option is B. Perineal tear. Question number 47. What is the ideal timing of episiotomy? The correct option is C. Crowning of head. Question number 48. What is the danger of prolonged third stage of labor? Correct option is D. Postpartum hemorrhage. Question number 49. What is the most serious risk of instrumental delivery? The correct option is B. Fetal trauma. Question number 50. Which type of pelvis causes transverse arrest? The correct option is A. Android. Question number 51. What is a drug to stimulate uterine contraction? The correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 52. What complication may occur with oxytocin overdose? The correct option is C. Uterine hyperstimulation.